Hey guys, welcome back to this video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to leverage AI in order to access the financial markets. Now, learning how to trade, actually you marking up the charts, learning a strategy, and being able to become a consistently profitable trader. Will it take time? Yes. But does that mean you don't make money as a beginner? Absolutely not. What you want to do is you want to be leveraging AI and leveraging experts while you are learning the skill for yourself, because the skill itself is super powerful, right? But I want to show you how you can easily leverage AI, which does all of the work for you, and you simply have to copy and paste some numbers, right? So on the screen in front of you, which you can see is our trend wave scanner on the Jifu platform. Now, what trend wave does, it follows the trend. It is looking for in the next 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, whatever time frame you're looking at, where is the trend going within that period of time. So what you can see here currently, it is identified a long. What does that mean? That means it's anticipating the market is going to go up. And as you can see, we are actually very close to entry. So it tells us exactly when it wants us to enter the trade, but it's also given us an exit plan. And anytime you take a trade, you always want to have an exit plan. This comes in the form of your stop loss and your take profit. So down here, you can see invalidation. That is our stop loss. It is what protects your account. So anytime you take a trade, you already identify how much you want to risk. So let's say you want to risk 1% or 2% of your accounts. Okay, you will figure out if it comes and hits this invalidation, right, what you would need to do. Now, you also then have your take profit points. So you've got 5 different take profit points. And again, all of these numbers are given to you, and you simply copy and paste over to your trading platform. Now, what I'm going to do in a second is I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do that. But before I do, I just wanted to show you some of our other scanners. So as you can see, trend wave, very simple. Okay, it's given us a long, so we want to take a buy position. We have our entry price, we have our exits, and we also have our stop loss. Now you can also scroll through and look at different time frames depending on the way that you trade. Okay, so this 30-minute time frame, if we had have caught it before, it had also called a long back here. Okay, and it actually hovered around it hovered around here. Okay, we're now coming back down to entry. Okay, so we'd still be holding that trade if we had have taken it. Okay, let's come over here. Okay, also calling a long, but it hasn't come up to entry yet. So you can kind of look through. Okay, it's all calling a long position. Okay, here we go. Entry is here. Okay, so you would then just decide based on the type of trader that you are, based on how long you want to hold the trade, which time frame you're going to go ahead and you're going to take. Okay, now the beauty about this is you can also trade different pairs. Now I'm currently looking at BTC USD because I'm recording this video on a Saturday, right? So you can of course trade crypto on the weekend. So you've got your different crypto that you could look to take. But during the week when the Forex market is open, you can look at traditional normal Forex pairs, your majors or your minors. So for example, AUD okay, if I go ahead and click on that, now of course the market is closed, but it is showing us an entry. Okay, it's got an entry here, our invalidation, and our take profit points. You can also look at indices. So over here on the left-hand side, you can see US 30, NAS 100, so on and so forth. And then you've also got your oil and your metals like gold, platinum, and silver. Okay, so that is trend wave. Now, this is very beginner friendly because it gives you all of this information. Now, we also have golden era, which is very beginner friendly as well. And it's best to trade on gold, hence the name golden era. So I'm actually going to go ahead, I'm going to click gold. Now, again, this is a weekend. So of course, the Forex market isn't open, but you can see here, again, very beginner friendly because it gives us our entry zone. You can see here, zone of action with the price. Now, if you're a beginner, all you would need to do is execute your trade when it is in this particular zone. Okay, you also have your invalidation, which is your stop loss, and you have your exits, which is your take profit. Now, this particular trade, okay, was a sell. If you would have executed on either of these 2 candles, it came down, hit exit 1, you would have made money, hit exit 2, you would have made money. And all you had to do was copy and paste these numbers over into your trading platform. Now, I've said that a couple times now, so let me actually go ahead and I'm going to share my screen and we're going to do the Bitcoin trade. Okay, we're going to do the Bitcoin trade because the market is actually open for Bitcoin, crypto, it never closes. So let's go back over to TrendWave and I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is, okay, in order to copy and paste these numbers, okay? And we're going to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to share my screen and we're going to take this trade together. Okay, so here we go. So first thing that you're going to do if you are a beginner trader is you're going to come over to your trading platform. Now, most people use MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. Okay, if you're in the US, okay, you might use another platform because MetaTrader is not widely used in the US. Okay, but it's going to look something like this. Okay, now you're going to find Bitcoin. I've got Bitcoin down here at the bottom. Okay, and I'm going to click trade. Now, that particular trade I showed you was a long, meaning it was a buy. So once I put in my stop loss and my take profit, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click buy by market. Okay, now I've got TrendWave up in front of me. Okay, and I'm going to copy the stop loss, which was 82779.62. So guys, I'm literally just copying straight from the screen that you saw before. And then I'm also going to put in my take profit, which was 83577.02. Okay, now all I need to do is click the buy by market button and I am in that trade. Okay, that's all you need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to reshare my screen again so you can see the numbers that I've copied and pasted. Okay, see the numbers that I've copied and pasted were here. Okay, those are the numbers I copy and pasted, and I am then in that trade. Now, all you need to do is wait. Okay, it is either going to come down and hit your invalidation, or it's going to come up and you are going to make profit. But guys, that is how you are going to leverage AI as a beginner. Again, do you want to learn the skill for yourself? Absolutely. And if you want to see the education that you have access to here in Jifu, please go to the link below. I'm going to link my full overview of the Jifu platform for you to have a look at. But if you are ready to get started on your trading journey and you're ready to earn while you learn, then comment below ready, okay? Or go hit me up on Instagram or TikTok, which is also going to be linked below, and I can help you get started. Okay, take care, guys. Have an amazing, amazing day.